decriminalization has only targeted one aspect of it, but there's a larger aspect where the rights are still not there with the LGBTQ community. So we need to really focus on those rights like inheriting properties together, opening bank accounts. Marriage is one big thing because once the marriage comes into play, all these other aspects of the rights will actually be
Having more
met.
acceptance.
Azadi, we want Azadi, we want Azadi.
Ultimately, I'm living with my partner for past 10 years, but I cannot, our love is not recognized. I cannot include him in my medical facilities, which is very much important, right? Without it, where would it go away? So ultimately, if marriage rights is given to us, there is a lot of economic crisis which can be avoided because of it.